Hello everyone, in this video we will learn layout group in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and here go to the view tab. In view tab here the layout group. So here you can see the option number 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 option is available in layout group. So let's see the one by one. Okay. So here the first one, the used title spacing. When I click on this option, see the changes over here. When I click on the used title spacing, the email is the title space. Okay. So you can use this option for that. And the second option, the folder pen. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see normal here selected. When you select the minimized, you can see the folder pane is minimized. You can see the left hand side, your folder is not showing. Okay, again, I click on the folder pane option. And if you want to off, just click on the off, it will off totally. Okay, again, I click on the folder pane option. And if you want to back to the normal, just click on the normal. And here you can see your folder pane will showing. Okay, and the third option, reading pane. Just click on this drop down arrow and here select it is right. If you want reading pane is bottom, just click on the bottom and here you can see your the bottom side the reading pane here showing. Okay, again go to the reading pane option and here the off. If you don't want the reading pane, just click on the off and your reading pane is off. Okay, not on the right hand side and bottom side. And after that, again, I just click on the reading pane option and click on the more option. And here you see the one dialog box is open reading pane. So reading pane option, you can see the make item as a read when view in the reading pane. Okay, wait the 5 second. You just click on this option and you can set here timing before making the item as a read. Okay. And the second option, mark item as a read when selection is changes. Okay. You can set this option also. Then single key reading using the space bar, turn on the automatic full screen reading in the portrait orientation. Okay. You can select this option those you want. And after that, just click on OK. Okay. And the next option is to do bar. Just click on this drop down arrow. And when you click on the calendar, you can see in the right hand side the calendar showing in to do bar. I again click on the to do bar and click on the people. And here you can see the search people here showing. Okay, you can search here the people. If you don't want calendar, just click on the calendar and you just showing here the to do bar search people. Okay, you can add here the favoritize people list also. I just click on arrow and click on the task. Now you can see the task list. I just close this people and here you can just add the task list into the bar. Okay. Again, I click on, if you don't want anything, just click on the off and that's it. So these are the options available in layout group in Outlook. So hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you so much.